Black squirrels are a melanistic subtype of eastern gray squirrels and fox squirrels. You can find them pretty much anywhere in those squirrels' natural range, and it's said that 1 in 10,000 eastern gray squirrels are black. But they're way more common in specific areas, like they form the majority of the population of eastern grays in Ontario and Michigan. They're more common in urban areas than in the wild, and they were specifically introduced to some of the places where they're most common. Sometime between 1902 and 1906, Teddy Roosevelt introduced 18 black morphs that were caught in Ontario around the National Mall in DC. And in 2005, it was estimated that they account for 5 to 10% of the population in that area. And the town of Marysville, Kansas is called Black Squirrel City because of their isolated population there. The story goes that a child in the 1920s accidentally released some from their cage at a traveling circus. You can also find them in the UK, as gray squirrels are an invasive species there. The black coloration is believed to be the result of a faulty pigment gene, where 24 base pairs were deleted from melanocortin receptor genes, which help regulate melanin production. It's also believed that the trait started in fox squirrels and was passed to eastern gray squirrels with interspecies mating because the genes are identical in both. Two gray squirrels can't give birth to a black gray squirrel because gray squirrels have 2 copies of the normal pigment gene. Black gray squirrels, on the other hand, either have 1 or 2 copies of the mutated gene. When they have 1 normal and 1 abnormal, they'll be brown-black. And with both, they'll be jet-black. Black squirrels have an advantage in cold temperatures and are more frequently found in the north. That's because they have 18% less heat loss when it's under 50 degrees Fahrenheit. They look so cool and I want to see one so bad, but black western gray squirrels are really super rare.